Million square meter of industrial buildings has been built and completed on time with quality meeting the most demanding requirements. Hundreds of factories, industrial parks with tens of thousands of devices including extraordinary devices has been assembled and operated correctly. On time is a confirmed for the competence of Techconvina. According to the general contractor for design and construction of industrial buildings and other civil works, industrial machinery installation contractors from the practical capability, Techconvina has built a brand reputation in the construction field in Vietnam, and especially to create an absolute confidence from foreign partners, including countries from the European region, South Korea, Taiwan, and China. Pharmaceutical manufacturing. Food Corporation of Su from Taiwan is one of an example for implementing a large project for a short period of time and the difficulty in construction condition of Techconvina. Total investment for this project is nearly 100 billion Vietnam dong for building area up to 3 acres in Da Nang Industrial Zone in Hai Dung Province. This is not a simple construction as required by the investor design to combine between modern architect and native. According to Design Modern and Geomancy, as well as integrate the design of Su and Da Nang's region. Regarding technical standard, to ensure design, modern construction ensuring technology and production standard of a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. Due to the timing requirements of the investor, Su Corporation wants to bring the products to the market in the shortest time in the rainy season in the year of 2009. After the assessment, the requirements of the investor as well as the condition and the capabilities in the specific construction site in the northern wet season, Techconvina decided to implement project within 168 days. Started on May the 5th of 2009, according to the commitments of more than 300 personnel, construction engineers and more than 1,000 skilled workers of Techconvina was successfully handed over to Su on October 20th of 2009. Su planned a combination of pharmaceutical factories, food under international standard for GNP, and the gallery system, private room, and conference room have finished with the highest quality. In such a short time, a record of 168 days, not only the investor, Su is absolutely satisfied, but also the cosmetic construction expert, nor surprised. Works set Genius record for Vietnam as on a schedule of construction industrial project. We're really impressed with the progress of the construction engineers and workers of Techconvina. When we signed the contract with Techconvina, we have a great pressure of time by our president, Mr. Vương Bao Gok, want to put a factory in Hai Dung Province into operation by the end of the year. Mr. Nguyen Hung, director of Techconvina, proposed from the implementation of a genius record of construction progress, and Techconvina has built a supernatural progress, also a great way to ensure the most demanding requirements. To be successful, particularly in the construction field, to meet the needs of technical difficulties as well as construction time and construction conditions, due to the fact that Techconvina has built a team of qualified staff and expertise, highly dynamic workers always enthusiastic and cooperative to overcome the difficulties. A team of skilled workers are not afraid of hardships and hardship work management. All the work with a general guideline, on hand, on time, developing cooperation with staff, engineers, skilled workers. Techconvina now has a strong base, qualifications, and practical experience may be qualified to perform all the complex work, including machine building and assembly of heavy industrial plants. We choose Techconvina as a contractor for the project because this is the fact that the company has been rated in the field of construction and assembly plant in Vietnam. We see more youth, enthusiasm of engineers and workers of Techconvina. I am really pleased to have chosen Techconvina, and I can confirm that in the future with the next project, we will continue to choose Techconvina as our partner. In the service field, Techconvina currently a contractor for design and construction of high-rise buildings, roads, ports, and heavy industrial plants, including cement factory, thermal power factory project is in the project of Yonggwak oil refinery, power plants construction, steel mills and steel. Techconvina is also the electrical contractor with Techconvina Smart Home and is with contractor Techconvina Factory. Besides, Techconvina transport ships and containers. For the investment field, Techconvina is conducting a new urban area project, Vang Yang, Hung Ing, with the area of 117 acres, with a total investment of $35 million and 3 block high-rise resident and commercial center Techcon building in District 9 with an area of 12 acres, and the total investment is $40 million near Vita Korea apartment area in Ho Chi Minh City. Techconvina Invest also conducted overseas investment project with mining, processing and trading of woods products, planting and care of rubber exploitation, processing and trading of agricultural products in the area of 10,000 acres. In Minokhihi, province of Cambodia, within 70 years in participating in investment project of mining timber, rubber cultivation, manufacture light industrial goods in Myanmar. Techconvina Invest is a member of the Association of French Enterprises, Association of Vietnam's Construction Contractor, Real Estate Association in Vietnam, Association of Enterprises with Foreign Investment, Business Association with Vietnam's Offshore Fund in partnership with investment banks, Federal Republic of Germany. We will persuade and expand the capital market for foreign direct investment into Vietnam, raising the size, turnover, and structure of its kind built in this area, such as we will provide depth and expand the service pack general contractor for building projects. Buildings has been developed very strongly in Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, and Hanoi. We continue into the ODA package that is under construction infrastructure, roads, bridge, and ports. Particularly in 2010, Techconvina be determined to make the objective for proposed include 1. Stability and sustainable development plans from now to 2010, average annual growth of 10%. 2. Output the value in 2010 reached 15,000 billions with sales value reaching 1,495 billion. 3. Average salary reached 3 to 7 billion per month. Techconvina product structure also aimed to participate in business and project, accounting for 20% of the total output value. Building products accounting for 60% of the total output value. Product manufacture for other business account for 20% of the total output value. Techconvina, cooperation to success.